Welcome back to Keto Homestead with Jess. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Today we're planting celery seed. I've went ahead and took some egg cartons, started my egg cartons with seed starting soil, and we are going to use whole celery seed from the spice aisle. Can you grow it? Yes, you can. So I'm going to put a little bit here on my newspaper, and I'm going to try to do, these seeds are really tiny, but I'm going to try to do 2 seeds per cell. We're going to just put these in there like this. I'm going to start my second one. And if you get more than 2 seeds in there, that's alright. We can thin it out later when they start coming up. We're going to just take a water bottle and gently spray that down until the soil is moist. And then I'll go ahead and set this under my heat light, my grow light. Go ahead and do the second one. And it's as simple as that. Now all we have to do is wait for seedlings to come up. Please hit that notification button, the subscribe button, so you can follow along. When these come up, I'll give another update and show you how they're doing. Thank you for following along with Keto Homestead with Jess. I hope you stay happy, safe, and healthy, and I hope to see you soon.